it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello. I'm a professional home organizer and soprano here in the Boston area, and I'm here to inspire you to live a more organized life. Now, you guys know every now and again I like to talk about cleaning because cleaning is one of those things that I really enjoy. And if you have been a long-time viewer of the channel, you will know that a few years ago I did a video called 10 things you probably should be cleaning but probably aren't. That's probably not the title. But I'm going to do a follow-up to that video, 10 more things you should be cleaning but probably are not cleaning. Before we get started, if you like videos like this on cleaning, house things, all things cute, dogs, go ahead and subscribe. I publish 3 times a week. And if you want extra credit, you will press the notification bell so you do not miss a single video. Okay, the first thing that you should be cleaning that you probably are not cleaning, let's be honest, is your pillows. Now this goes for both throw pillows on couches, your bed, and the pillows that you actually sleep on. They should be washed. Why? I mean, you're putting your face on there. I mean, you're like, well, I wash my pillow cover. No, you gotta wash the actual pillow. So if you're not sure whether or not your pillow can be washed, or it probably can, just look at the instructions on the tag on the pillow. It will give you accurate washing instructions, whether you have to wash cold water, whether you have to let it air dry, you have to put it in the dryer, whatever. You should wash this, every now and again. When you're doing your bed linens, don't forget to pay some attention to your pillows. You don't have to do the pillows like every week, but at some time. The next thing that you should be washing that you probably are not washing are pet toys and your pet's bed. Why not? Your pet deserves a nice, clean place to sleep, as well as toys that aren't covered in disgusting slobber. And sometimes it's really easy to forget that pet toys are really disgusting. But good news, you can wash your pet's toys in the washing machine with some vinegar. Both cat toys and dog toys can go in there. I think the catnip can actually withstand being in the washing machine, but I've washed my pet's toys in the washing machine. They come out fine. They're good. It's like brand new. It's like gives them new life. It's amazing. Every now and again, if your pet's toys look nasty, just throw them in the wash with a little vinegar, even just some plain water. They come out clean. It's amazing. Do your pet a favor. And also please wash their beds. Please, they deserve a nice, clean place to sleep. Number 3 is that you probably should be washing your throw covers on your couch, like the blankets that you're using to just get cozy on the couch. Unfortunately, a lot of these are hard to wash. Maybe they're like wool, or they're beautifully woven quilts, but they should be washed periodically, because imagine how much dirt and bacteria and stuff is on there. I'm just throwing it out there. Don't forget to wash those. Don't forget. They're nasty. Number 4, wash shower organizing containers or shelves in your shower. Because sometimes if you wash your shower, you can take out all your bottles and stuff and you can wash the whole thing, you can spray it down. But have you checked how disgusting the actual shelf is? Or the little caddy that's in there, the shower caddy. That thing is so gross. All of the conditioner and shampoo that gets on there can gunk up and just get gross over time. So when you're washing your shower, don't forget, or cleaning your shower. I don't know, wash is kind of a weird word to use for cleaning your shower, but when you're cleaning the shower, don't forget to clean your either shower caddy, shower shelves, or place where you have your cleaning stuff for your body. Number 5, don't forget to clean sponges. Ugh. Sponges are disgusting. They harbor all kinds of gross bacteria, and then you're going to either wash your dishes with them or wipe the counters with them and then spread all the bacteria around. That's disgusting. Don't do it. So make sure that you wash your sponges. There's a couple of ways you can wash your sponge. I will link a bunch of things down below of resources how you can wash these things. We're not going to talk about it here in the video in the interest of brevity, but I will just remind you to every now and again wash your sponge. And just they only last so long. You should replace them after a little while too. Number 6. This is number 6. Number 6. Reusable shopping bags. Now I know when this video is being filmed, we're in the midst of a world situation, and sometimes they're not allowing you to bring in your shopping bags. But if you're watching this from the future or the past, you never know, your reusable shopping bags need to be washed. They harbor all kinds of disgusting bacteria, especially if you're putting groceries in there, like produce, because produce has all kinds of stuff going on anyway, because you're washing that. Just think of all of the germs and stuff that are in there, and you're putting that on the ground, maybe on the conveyor belt. So it's harboring all kinds of germs. My favorite bags are the kind that you can just throw in the washing machine, that they're fabric-y. Those are because it's the easiest to deal with. If it's a more like plasticky kind of bag, it can be just disinfected with some homemade disinfectant. Again, I will put a link down below to a nice Melissa Maker video on how to clean your reusable shopping bags, but definitely do not skip on this because they're nasty. Number seven, don't forget to clean bathroom vents and exhaust fans and like AC vents around the house. It can be easy to walk by these and be like, ooh, and then forget about it, but don't forget about it. Every now and again, go and take your vacuum and get in there, and all kinds of gunk is gonna come out. Not only is this going to improve the air quality in your home, but it's gonna make the mechanism of your vent, more effective. It's gonna be able to clean your air. Just take a moment. If you walk by it and you're like, ugh, just take a moment, grab your Swiffer, your vacuum, just go for it. Just go for it. Number 8, your houseplants. Your houseplants that have probably been there for a long time are maybe covered in dust, and it makes them real sad. Not only does dust attract pests such as spider mites, which are like my least favorite pests to deal with, it also can prevent them from photosynthesizing properly because there is a layer of dust covering up the leaf. So every now and again, go and give your plant a little love with a microfiber cloth or a soft towel or whatever, the Swiffer. Just get some of that dust off. Give it a nice little bath. Your plant will appreciate it, believe me. Number 9 is your earbuds and earphones. Maybe this is obvious, but if you've ever looked at your AirPods or your earbuds, they're gross. You can totally clean these with a little bit of alcohol and a little bit of a Q-tip, especially like the little sharp end Q-tips. Just every now and again, if they get real gunky and nasty, clean them up. They clean up really well, and they prevent you from looking at them and being like, ugh. And lastly, you should be cleaning these, but you're probably not, maybe not, is your vacuum filter. Don't forget to clean this. It's gonna make your vacuum last longer and help it work more efficiently. Often all it involves is running it under some cold water and letting it dry for a little bit. I like to put mine in the sunlight so it can dry a little faster, but don't forget to clean your vacuum filters. I have one filter in my Roomba and one filter in my Dyson, and we get cleaned every once in a while. Okay guys, let me know what from this list is probably the most disgusting thing in your house right now. Let me know down in the comment down below. No shame, there's no judgment here. There's no judgment here. All right guys, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I hope you're having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are in the world. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.